hope it's original from my side. Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
So today it's 6th of August 2024. Is it done as the iela?
Yeah, 12.
12, good.
So I guess 36 to 72.
Yeah. The middle stack is in the building.
Yeah.
It's also in Imanta, one of the suburbs of Riga, Latvia.
Nah, not but still interesting. But
Ah, okay. Maybe more.
yeah.
Sorry. This is still worth one, right?
Yeah.
It's only the buttons, but the buttons are like from Tinkoski.
Yeah. So serial number is 222.
Interesting serial number.
Yeah. We can take the photo from it's our channel.
Yes, it is. Interesting sounds.
Yeah. Somebody's coming.
But we pressed one.
Yeah.
It didn't flee from us.
Yeah. That's